Choosing between a flat roof and a pitched roof can seriously impact how your home handles weather, so knowing the pros and cons is key. Alright, here's the deal. Pitched roofs are usually better because water just slides off, no fuss. Flat roofs, even though they're called flat, actually have little dips that trap water, and that's how leaks start. If you get a lot of rain or snow, a pitched roof helps keep your home dry since the water or snow doesn't hang around. For places with heavy snowfall, a steeper pitch is clutch because it lets snow slide right off instead of piling up and causing damage. Flat roofs might seem cool for a modern look or extra space, but they need way more maintenance to check for those puddles. Also, if you have shingles on a roof that isn't steep enough, rain can sneak under and mess up the wood underneath. Regularly cleaning your gutters and checking for cracks or bubbles on a flat roof is smart to avoid big repairs later. And hey, if you're unsure about what type of roof you got or what suits your house best, ask a pro to take a look. No shame in getting expert advice. One of the biggest mistakes people make with roofing is ignoring water drainage issues, especially on flat roofs where standing water causes leaks. Fix this by ensuring your roof has proper slopes and drainage systems installed. Another common problem is installing shingles on low-pitch roofs without the right underlayment, which lets rainwater get underneath and rot the structure. The fix? Use waterproof underlayment and pick materials suited for low-slope roofs. Lastly, people often forget to inspect their roofs regularly, so small problems turn into costly repairs. Schedule routine checks after storms and clean gutters often to keep everything in tip-top shape. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the headache of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their exact skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.